Hey everybody, how you doing? Vinny Cuz here, and I'm back with the third episode of my $100 small account challenge that started at the beginning of this year, January 3rd. So if you remember from the previous episode, we managed to get up from 100 to 163. I took a bad trade, stayed in an option way too long, and brought that account from 163 down to $85. All right, we learned our lesson. We talked about that in the last episode. So we started out Monday. Early in the week, I dealt with Ford, trying to move a few option contracts up and down. Remember, limited funds as far as what I could trade with, what I could hold over. But we managed to swing ourselves back up to 184.76 to 185 for the end of the week. We had a slight pullback going into market close on Friday. I am holding, as you can see here, I am holding two contracts right now. Here you go. I've got a dollar cost average of 61 cents on these contracts. Last price was 75. We did hit, and I could have taken my profits there, but the market is showing me, or the technical analysis showing me, that we have a potential to squeeze just a little bit higher before I take profits on this. Either way, and I will probably go live in the morning at 9:30, maybe 9:25, to see how these options play out. We did hit 85 cents on these contracts, which that's a $24 come up on two contracts, $48. It's pretty good for the money. Percentage is there. But what I want to see is, like I said, I want to see how these the market plays out. So here's my chart on TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. And if we look at, let's go back to a 30-minute chart here. If we look, we can see what's playing out here, right? So we had the big jump up off earnings, right? Nice little gap up there. I'm wondering if this is going to gap back down. I'm really not sure. I did some fib retracements on Friday. This was the daily retracement. This was the second leg up, big second leg up retracement, which it came down into, broke down below. Again, I'm in puts, so the price kind of bumped back up a little bit, hit this 140, 40-ish level, and jumped back up. I'm thinking it's going to continue down. Pardon me. Damn, that's twice today. I think it's going to continue back down. We will see tomorrow morning. I will be watching it. You can see the MACD here. It's starting to level off and maybe tail off just a little bit on the 30-minute chart. The other trade earlier in the week that helped get me back up was Ford. It's a combination of puts and not many. We're trading one or two contracts at a time because we're such a small account challenge. Anyway, I kind of got faked out a little bit with Ford. Even though it gapped down, it kind of brought itself right back up into that area and kind of fell in that gap. So that's a dead issue. I did catch it on the way up, and I caught it on the way down. So with that being said, yeah, let's close it all. This is where we're at. We're sitting on 179.76 this week. Obviously, tomorrow we'll be looking at TSM, and we're going to keep an eye on Ford. I think there might be some opportunity to the downside on Ford. So anyway, I'm going to get better at these things. I'm still trying to figure out how to present all this to the channel. But as you can see, we are up right now off that 110, well, the $100 we started with. We're up 80% in 2 weeks. So remember, money's a game of doubles. And I'm trying to double up every month. All right. Peace out.